upright. And he's over there somewhere.
It's a bit breezy.
Now he dropped off.
Oh, it should change direction.
So the visibility is absolutely gash. It's blowing, I don't know, how fast would you say it's blowing on and off?
40 to 50 miles.
40 to 50. We're coming down off the top, and this is our first summit, and we've pretty much been literally decked out by the wind, picked up and dropped on the floor. And there's a family on the way up. We've asked them to come back down, but they're carrying on up, and we think, you twat!
That's lovely now.
Let's
have a picnic.
It's Pims o'clock.